Welcome to KTA Kitchens. This is Chef Maka Kwan. Today we're gonna do some Hing Mui cranberry sauce. So if you like Hing Mui and you like cranberries, let's get to the ingredients. First off, we're gonna need some cranberries, some Hing Mui powder, orange and lemon zest, don't forget the juice, some sugar, salt, and of course, these buggers right here, the star anise. So let's get cooking. Guys, here we are. We got the fresh cranberries. If you can't find fresh cranberries, go get yourself some frozen cranberries. But fresh beets always frozen any day. And if you guys don't have a zester, I got the potato peeler. Peel the orange and peel the lemon zest and put it right in there. So, and anyways, we're gonna put all this in a pot all together one time. Cranberries in the pot, sugar in there, a little bit of salt, one of the star anise, lemon juice, and of course orange juice, of course the zest of your citrus, and of course Hing Mui powder. So I got all the ingredients in here. I got about a medium heat. I'm gonna bring it up to a boil just before boiling point. I'm gonna lower it to about a medium low heat and simmer for a good 10-20 minutes. Everything kind of breaks down just a little bit. After that, we're gonna put it in a glass bowl, put it in the fridge, let it chill, and let it gel. And we'll eat it later on, and it's gonna taste better eaten out of a can. We'll be back, all right? So the cranberry sauce, guys, been cooking about 20 minutes, slowly, slow and low. The sugar, the orange, the lemon juice, and the zest, anise is coming together. Cranberry slightly popped open. We're done, dude. We're done. Put it in a bowl. Here we go. Put it in a bowl. Oh my God. If you guys, it smells so good. It's amazing. But take a look at it, ladies and gentlemen. Let it go. You want to take the zest out? Take the zest. You want to take the star anise out? Take it out. Throw them away in the trash. Let it sit out for a while, about 20 minutes. Let it cool down before you put it in your refrigerator or wherever you want to put it. But let it cool down outside for a while. Then put it in your refrigerator. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours so it gels up, nice and gelatin. And then we're going to come back. All right? We'll be back. Guys, we are done. Cranberries are chilled. They're ready to go. I can't wait to eat them. Wait, I am gonna eat them. It was good too. FYI, it's good. Oh, Hing Mui flavor, citrus flavor. You know, have a nice red wine with it. Have a turkey with it. Have some gravy with it. Whatever you want. But if you want this recipe, KTASuperstores.com/recipes. Chef Maka Kwan saying, Hing Mui cranberry sauce, yummy.